Hey folks, welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through how to install your hose reel wall mount system. We'll cover 3 wall types: stud walls with 16-inch spacing, stud walls with 24-inch spacing, and concrete walls. Then we'll go over how to install the hose reel itself, mount your gun holster, attach the hose, set up the handle, and mount your pressure washer on the shelf. Before we get into it, let's go through the required tools. You'll need a stud finder, a tape measure, a pencil or marker, a drill, a 3/16 inch drill bit for wood stud pilot holes, a 5/16 of an inch masonry drill bit for concrete, a Phillips screwdriver, 13, 15, and 16 millimeter ratcheting wrenches. We suggest using a level. A torque wrench is recommended for secure mounting, and a hammer may be useful for tapping and expansion bolts if mounting on concrete. Mounting on 16-inch wall studs. First up, wood studs with standard 16-inch spacing. Start by using a stud finder to locate 2 adjacent studs in your wall. Now mark 4 drill points, 2 on each stud, spaced 16 inches apart horizontally and about 5.9 inches vertically between top and bottom. Try to center the marks right on the middle of the studs. Drill 4 3/16 inch pilot holes at your marks and drive in 4 screws, but don't go all the way in yet. Leave about a 1/5 of an inch gap between the wall and the screw heads. Now hang the mounting plate onto the screws, then tighten them down to secure the plate flush against the wall. Once all bolts are in place, use a wrench and a torque wrench to finish tightening everything down so the mount sits tight and secure. Mounting on 24-inch wall studs. If your wall has 24-inch stud spacing, no problem. Start by securing 2 2x4 planks, each about 28 inches long, horizontally across the studs. You want about 5.9 inches between the bottom edges of the planks. Once those are installed, go back and follow the same steps we just covered for the 16-inch mount. Mark, drill, and mount the plate to the planks. Now, mounting on concrete. If you're mounting on concrete, here's how to do it. Use a tape measure to mark out your 4 drill points, then drill into the concrete with a 5/16 of an inch bit to a depth of about 2 to 3/4 inches. Each expansion bolt comes pre-assembled. Start by tightening the nut so the bolt expands and protrudes to about 3/4 of an inch beyond the metal cone. Now, remove the hex nut, spring washer, and flat washer from each bolt. Hang the mounting plate on the bolts, then reassemble the washers and nuts in the same order. Tighten everything down to secure the mount firmly to the wall. Step 2. Attach the hose reel bracket. With the mounting plate up, lift the hose reel frame and align its 4 holes with the 4 slots in the mount plate. Secure it using the bolt and nut set included in the kit. Make sure everything's snug and square before fully tightening. Step 3. Install the gun holster. Use the provided screws and a Phillips screwdriver to mount the gun holster on the side of the wall plate. It should sit flush and secure. Step 4. Attach the handle crank. To install the handle crank, just slide the pin through the handle into the slot on the reel barrel. Simple. Step 5. Install the hose. Start by pulling the reel lock pin outward, then rotate it 90 degrees to unlock the reel. Now, rotate the reel until the opening faces towards you. Connect your hose to the quick connect fitting on the reel, then secure the hose to the right side of the reel using the provided clamp. Wrap the hose neatly onto the reel, and once it's fully coiled, rotate the lock pin back into the locked position. For use, just disengage the pin again to let the reel spin freely. Step 6. Mount your pressure washer on the shelf. The wall shelf is designed to fit the Active 2.0 and 2.3, and this is especially easy with the optional support feet kit sold separately. If you're mounting another pressure washer, you'll need to drill 4 11mm holes in the shelf. Place your motor and pump assembly on the shelf, align it with the holes, and bolt it down securely using the supplied bolts and nuts. The correct bolt size is M8 by 20mm. Finally, attach the jumper hose from the pressure washer outlet to the reel inlet. Step 7. Organize your accessories. Let's finish by organizing your tools. The hose. This reel supports up to 100 feet of 3/8 inch hose. If your hose doesn't have a 3/8 inch male plug, grab an adapter. It'll make your life easier. Nozzles go in the 4 small slots on the mount. Lance, foam cannon, and gun each have their own dedicated spots on the mount or holster. And that's it! Your wall mount hose reel system is installed and ready to go. If you have any questions, reach out to our customer support at support@activeproducts.com.